Geno Perez Adventures. I'm still Geno, and what you're getting ready to see is the finished product. 4 months of work, we're done, and it's been a trip. But let me tell you a few things about it before you get to see what we got here. When you go in the first door, you're going to see some furniture, and you're going to see some wooden cabinets, and you're going to see a lot of wood, and it's all handmade. I had to have the beds made. I had to have the closets made. I imported the fan on Amazon. I imported the hardware for the sliding doors from Amazon. The next room we have a jacuzzi. Have some really nice lights. We've got a glass door. We've got really nice shower. The cabinets and the granite are all handmade. The next bedroom is the same deal. Had to order the bed. The bed had to be extra large, extra long for the gentleman that's going to come visit. And had to order the mattress, had to order the bed, had to order the closet, had to order the windows are handmade. You buy the windows, they're steel, you put them in, and then after they're all in and plastered and everything's done, then they put the glass in. You can't buy windows with the glass. Then my office here. This was the washroom with the washing machine and that whole thing, and now it's my office. And on the other side, we have another laundry room. So if you have any questions, just be sure and put them in the comments. But what you got to realize is that anything that you see here, except for some of the lights and some of the fans, you can't buy off the shelf anywhere. A carpenter, a welder, somebody had to build that specifically for this job. So here we go. Well, here we go. After 4 months and 10 days. That's where the garage door used to be. This is the new addition. First bedroom. Ceiling fan. Our sliding door. The bathroom. Well, I hope you like that because it was a lot of work, man. I was here every day. It was 4 months and 10 days. And I was here every day except for a few. Most Sundays they didn't work. and I was in Miami for 3 days. The rest of the time, I was right here, and we were mixing concrete. We were buying lumber. We were doing all sorts of stuff. For example, the pergolas, we had to go to another town and buy lumber, tell them what we wanted. They actually went, cut the trees down, made the lumber, and brought it here. So we put it up with green lumber. That's a challenge, trust me. So God bless you. I hope you enjoyed it. It's the first day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, nothing changes. God bless you.